Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this DIY spring wreath. So if you guys like these types of videos, make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel, and let's go ahead and get on into the video. Alright you guys, so here are the items you're going to need. First thing is this home sign. This is from Walmart, and all the supplies that I got today are from Walmart, and it was $4 and some cents. Then this wreath here is a pretty decent size, and it was $4, and you can get bigger ones from Hobby Lobby. So if you want something bigger, keep that in mind. Then I got 2 of these lilac picks, and these were 97 cents. Then for my other flowers, I got this eucalyptus leaves, and these were $3 for this bundle. And then I got a bundle, 2 bundles of white flowers, and they kind of have like a pink center. And these were $3 a piece, so I got 2 of those. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not yet. We'll have to see how they look. But these are just some leaves that I actually got from like the Christmas collection. And I might be using some of these ones. I'll have to kind of see. But these ones were $2, but then I got them 75% off. So I'm going to show you guys how I create a spring wreath using these items. Alright guys, so first things first, we're just going to go ahead and cut our stems. So once you find the shape of the wreath, like which way you like it facing, this was kind of an odd shape, so I went with this, I don't know, it looks more like an egg shape, I guess. And now I'm just gonna place my flowers. I'm gonna actually start with doing more of like half. I'm almost gonna do close to full. So we'll just go ahead and place the white flowers first. And yeah, you guys just keep going till you get what you like and what you think looks nice. And you can always keep moving stuff around. So just keep placing flowers, and you can take some out, move some. So I finally got mine rearranged to how I like it, and then I just wanted to show you guys. I thought using all these big flowers was just a little too much, so I went in with these 2 flowers, and these are from Dollar Tree. And so what I did is I did 1 big one, 2 little, then I did 2 big, 2 little, and a big, so it kind of like evens out there. And then I just added in leaves around there, and then I'm going to add this home sign here. I'm going to glue it and also put some twine around it, and then the wreath is going to be done. All right, so now I'm just gonna glue everything in place. So once you have it placed where you want it, there's a few different options you could do. You could do more on the side. I'm gonna choose to do mine a little bit down here and then kind of work my flower around it. And so I'm just taking some twine here. And this I believe I got from the dollar store. Okay, so I think it's probably going to look best to put it around this M here, and so that's kind of where I'm gonna try to get it to go. Okay, and then so now that is in place, and I'm going to go ahead and also glue the sign as well. That's just kind of like my anchor. Alright, so once you guys have everything glued in place, as you can tell, this home sign here, it's working out pretty well. It actually is staying really nice. So I just hot glued this little bow here and then just glued some of the spots like underneath. And then you can also play with your flowers a little bit. I did glue this underneath and this big leaf here underneath so it doesn't cover the home sign, but still like adds a little bit of contrast to it. So you can always work with your flowers by just gluing them down. But this is the way that it turned out, and it's perfect for spring. And I'm actually going to be giving this for a wedding gift. So I think it'd go perfect on their front door. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you guys some inspiration to decorate your house and make a wreath for the front of your door. It's perfect for spring, and I love the way that the colors look. So if you guys try this out, make sure to tag us on Instagram, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!